Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use hashtags to organize your saved messages. So I showed how to forward messages into this chat in a previous video, and now I'm going to show you how you can organize them. So hashtags allow you to tag messages with specific things. So for example, I'm going to add a hashtag here for photos, and here I'm going to reply to this and add videos as a hashtag. So this is really useful if you have a lot of messages saved in your folder, and you can quickly pull any related messages by going to search and typing in the hashtags. For example, I type in hashtag photos in the search bar. It's going to pull up any messages with this hashtag on it. You can also add multiple hashtags to a single message. That way you get more what do you call this? You get to more control. That's the word. You get more control over how you want to classify these messages. So another thing I can do is, for example, I'm going to add these photos, and then I'm going to add a caption, hashtag photos, hashtag cats. So in addition to the photos hashtag, I have the cats hashtag, and this lets me specifically look for the picture with cats. There we go. And if you click on it, it should direct you to the sent message. So alternatively, you can also forward chats from other existing conversations and add hashtags while you're sending them. Additionally, hashtags can be searched across all your conversations. So for example, I have a conversation with my friend here. I send him a particular message and add some hashtags. Then I go into the search bar and search the hashtag in. It's going to look for that hashtag across all my conversations, not only in the saved messages. But if you'd like, you can also do so by changing this here. Search messages in my messages.